Okay, this is the Lego brick set. It comes with 650 pieces. These are all of the pieces itself. And let's crack this thing open. Okay, let's see all these bags. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's a bunch of bags, and there is a tiny little thing. I don't know what this is for. Okay. There's one bag with 1x2s in it. Here's another bag with more 1x2s and 1x1s. Here's some more 1x2s and 1x1s. Here are a bunch of regular just bricks. There's some bricks in here, like 1x4s. There's a bunch of more bricks and 2x2s and stuff. And here are the bigger bricks. Yeah, and there is some 1x4s. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags. And yeah, that's the Lego brick set.